How do I send a Venmo gift card? Hook, have you ever wanted to give a friend or family member a gift but weren't sure what to get? Or maybe you wanted to contribute to a group gift but didn't want to deal with cash. Well, today, I'm going to show you how to send a Venmo gift card, a simple and convenient way to give the gift of money. Building context, Venmo is a popular mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. In addition to person-to-person payments, Venmo also offers gift cards that you can send to others. These gift cards can be used to make purchases on Venmo or at any of the millions of businesses that accept Venmo. Step-by-step guide. Open the Venmo app. The first step is to open the Venmo app on your smartphone. If you don't have Venmo installed, you can download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Tap the Pay button. Once you're in the Venmo app, tap the Pay button at the bottom of the screen. Select Gift Card. You'll see a list of options. Tap on Gift Card. Choose a design. Venmo offers a variety of gift card designs for different occasions. Select the design that you think your recipient will like. Add a message. You can also add a personalized message to your gift card. This is a great way to make your gift more special. Enter recipient's information. Next, you'll need to enter your recipient's Venmo username or phone number. Set the amount. Choose the amount you want to put on the gift card. Review and send. Review your gift card information and then tap Send to complete the transaction. Additional tips. Check your recipient's Venmo settings. Make sure your recipient has allowed Venmo gift cards in their settings. If they haven't, you won't be able to send them a gift card. Use a custom message. A personalized message can make your gift card even more meaningful. Send a gift card for a special occasion. Venmo gift cards are great for birthdays, holidays, or just to say thank you. Consider using a Venmo gift card for group gifts. If you're planning a group gift, a Venmo gift card can be a convenient way to collect contributions from everyone. Conclusion: sending a Venmo gift card is a simple and convenient way to give the gift of money. With a few taps on your smartphone, you can create a personalized gift that your recipient will appreciate. So next time you're looking for a thoughtful and easy gift, consider sending a Venmo gift card. End sharp. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.